could take your breath away. She could drive those drums right through your brain. She could hypnotize, she could drive you wild. She could be the dream of every guy. The drummer, she was a lady, and drumming was her life. She'd been on the road so long, she forgot what love was like. She was aiming high, she dreamed someday her name would be in lights. She was cool, she was hot, she would play till she dropped. She couldn't stop, she was reaching for the top. A tired bar, a dying town. Whatever happened to that girl, the one who always hung around? She joined the band, the bartender said, and somebody told me she got some crazy idea.